You're watching How Leap. Let's turn off these 5 iPhone settings that are sharing your data. First, go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Tracking. Disable Allow apps to request to track. Second, in Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, then Find My, and turn off Share My Location unless you need it. Third, go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Analytics and Improvements. Turn off Share iPhone Analytics and Share iCloud Analytics. Fourth, in Settings, tap Safari, then scroll to Privacy and Security and enable Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and Hide IP Address. Fifth, go to Settings, tap Siri and Search, then scroll down and for each app, turn off Learn from this app and allow notifications. These steps significantly reduce the data your iPhone collects and shares with Apple and third-party companies, giving you more control over your privacy. Remember, some features like personalized Siri suggestions may work less effectively, but your data will be more secure. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.